Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I've just created this simple, very easy to create look, and if you want to see how I done this, please keep watching.
Always mysterious and surprising, you never know what's around.
So I'm starting off with a medium brown shadow on a blending brush, and I'm just putting this all over my crease for my transition shade. Now going in with a darker brown shadow, and I'm just putting that right on top and blending it out into the crease just to darken up the shadow. For my lid I'm going to be using this silvery iridescent shade, and I'm just putting that all over my lid and also taking it a little bit higher into the crease. Now I'm just taking that second shade and blending it together with the silver shadow. Serious focusing issues, but we move. Now I'm just going to be taking this silver liner from Nyx, and I'm just doing a couple strokes on top of that silver shadow. Next I'm just taking this black felt tip liner from Maybeline and just creating a wing. Now I'm just going in with that first shadow on a short blending brush to put some colour on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to be applying some falsies.
You never know what's around the next corner.
So that's it for this eye look, guys. I've only filmed the eye look. If you want me to start filming my base, please comment below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.